Hey guys, it is me, Andrew the Rail Fan 4, and today we got a new package from Choo. Yep. So I can't wait what it is. So I'll unbox it. Here we go. This is a Rio Grande switcher engine. So I'm gonna unwrap it again. Wait, never mind. Here we go. It looks smaller than I imagined. This is what it looks like. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.